Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to learn how to show the status bar in the Sketchbook app on your phone. The status bar helps you view important information. First, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Once you're inside the Preferences menu, find the option labeled Status Bar. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn it on to make the status bar appear at the top of your screen while you're working in the app. Finally, after turning it on, tap Done in the top left corner to save your changes and return to your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.